Back again to Smart Up Your Life. Grab your confidence in speaking English. This is our English learning program in collaboration with BPC Makassar. And now you are with me, Rifa Majid. Well, tonight, as usual, as our program last week, there are several friends from BPC Makassar who will be with me during this airing program. The first one is my friends who always present himself to you, smart listener. There is Mr. Nahwi. Hi, Mr. Nahwi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah, as usual.
Okay. Thank you for coming. And
Yes.
also the next one is Mr. Fikri. What's up, Mr. Fikri?
What's up?
Okay. Is everything running well today?
Very well.
Very well. It look like your t-shirt. Very shiny.
Very shiny.
Very
Yeah.
fresh.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful, like me.
Yeah.
Like now as
course.
well.
Oh, yes, like now as well. All right, smart listener, before we share to you our topic tonight, we will discuss about something that very interesting and I think it's very relate to your life also. Well, before that, Nahwi, please introduce BPIC Makassar to smart listener.
Well, hello, smart listener. Welcome back with me, Mr. Nahwe, and then I do hope that you are not bored. Okay, so I'm going to introduce to you about our English community, which is situated at Fort Rotterdam. So, in our community, we are going to improve our English skill, especially in speaking. So not only speaking, but also we learn about grammar, reading, writing, anything related on English itself. And then our program always conduct every Sunday at 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. But due to Corona outbreak, we cannot conduct the meeting like usual. So we conduct our meeting through virtual meetings such as Zoom or Google Meet. So for you guys, if you want to join with our virtual meeting, please contact us on Facebook, Instagram, and also WhatsApp. So the name of our Facebook is BPIC Makassar. It's same with our Instagram, and also we have several number of our committee that you can chat if you want to join in our virtual meeting.
Okay.
So our virtual meeting may be a little bit different. So we conduct our virtual meeting at the same day at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. until 4 p.m.
Okay. For the next meeting, when it will be conducted?
We are going to conduct our meeting through online, still online.
Okay. When?
When Sunday, every Sunday
Every
at
Sunday. Okay.
1 p.m. until 4 p.m.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you, Nahwi, for the introduction of BPIC Makassar.
Yeah, with my pleasure.
All right. Now, smart listener, I want to invite you to join with us also
Yeah.
on WhatsApp 0811461011 or also you can join or you can watch our live streaming on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Write down your comment if you want to join with us. Okay?
Yeah.
So, tonight, this is or today. Today is the end of the month,
Yeah.
right?
Oh my God. Bad news for the students.
28th of July.
Yeah.
It means we want to start a new month.
Yeah.
For 2 or 3 days later.
Yeah.
Right? So there are many people feeling so glad, so
Yeah.
happy in the end of the month because of payday, they get salary. But some of people also get their salary in the early month. There are in the end of the month. There are in the early month. But the question here, why the salary is running out so fast? Why do people spend their money, their salary so fast? Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. in the early or in the first day of payday they feel very rich, but in the end of the day, in the
Yes.
end of the month maybe they feel very poor because they have no money anymore.
Yes.
Right? So our topic tonight related this thing has correlation with financial management and thriftiness.
Yeah, thriftiness.
Financial management and thriftiness is mengatur keuangan dan sifat berhemat.
Yes.
So our topic tonight, we're gonna talk about this topic, financial management, also thriftiness. For you, smart listener, for student and also employee. All
Yes.
right. I want to ask you, Nahwi and Fikri, what do you think about our topic?
Maybe start from you, Brother Fikri.
Okay, so our topic today is about thriftiness, and I actually rarely do thrifts and even never because now even I am a dormitory student.
Yes.
I live in dormitory by myself because I'm far from my family. But I don't know, somehow I never follow other students that live in dormitory because they always thrift their money, save their money. But I guess why I never do this kind of thing, because when we do thrift, meaning that we want to save our money in order that we don't want to get starving in the future. But I guess when we do this thing and then we don't get starving in the future, meaning that you sacrifice yourself to be hungry, to be starving in
Yeah.
nowadays in present life. So that's why I don't want to be hungry. I don't want to be I don't want to be starved and etc. in present life, just because I don't want to be I don't want to be starving in the future life, in the end of a month and etc. So that's why it's the same when we want to thrift, just because we don't want to be hungry in the end of the month itself.
So,
Yeah.
the reason you save your money is
The reason maybe because I just wanted to buy something and etc. They're very important for me. I just save my money at that situation, but
okay.
to save my money just because I don't want to be starving. I guess money will be always there.
Okay. So, do you ever receive a salary before?
Yeah, actually, right now I'm still a college student in the second year, but I once work in an English course and then I teach there, and then I got salary at the moment, and then it's not really much. It's about 500 rupiahs, and then at the moment when I get that salary, I don't know, somehow I spent the money very fast, because I realized that at the moment I don't manage my money well and etc. because I think that I have a lot of money, so that's why
Okay.
this money will be not run very fast. But at the moment, perhaps I just spend that money just one night and etc. So that's why after
Because you feel very rich.
yeah, because I feel very rich.
Okay,
So-
suddenly you rich.
yeah, suddenly you're rich, but but actually it's not really rich. And then after I
Okay.
check my pocket, after I check my wallet, I don't find my money anymore. So that's why I realized that I don't really rich. That what I
Do you
what I think.
regret?
I really regret it.
Oh my god, bad news.
And then what makes me really regret at the moment, because my mom asked me, "Where is your money?" And then I said, "I don't know."
What?
Yeah,
It's running out so fast.
yeah, it's running like
Alright.
invisible running.
Okay.
Yeah.
It means that was your first salary.
Yes, first salary, and then
500,000 rupees.
yeah, it's very much for college.
Okay. So, how about you, Nahwi?
Alright, so based on Fikri's statement said before that we have to implement the thriftiness itself in the correct way, because we don't want in the end of the day by the thriftiness itself it's going to harm our body itself. So and then to me thriftiness for me, actually to be honest, I always thrift my money.
Yeah.
I don't know for what, but I have one principle that I always implement to myself. So I have to keep some money, because we don't know, we cannot predict that what we are going to happen in the future, in the end of the
Yes.
day. So that I make like some plan to face with that problem,
Oh,
because we
right.
cannot predict
So-
what kind of problems that we are going to face later on.
Okay, so you put some money for an emergency
Emergency
situation.
system, yeah.
All right, so smart listener, Fikri and Nahwi, uh, in your opinion, why do people spend their salary or their money so fast after payday?
Okay, so to me, why do people spend their money very fast when they get salary and etc.? Because first, they think that they already work so busy, so stressed and etc. So that's why they need their money to minimize their stress and etc. Because we actually do a lot of things, and then we get money. We need this money to be our helps that we can go to our destination, vacations, and etc. So that many people want to do this kind of stuff, so that it will decrease their strengths. What about you, Nahui?
Okay, like self appreciation.
Yeah,
After
self-appreciation,
working
because
very hard.
I already do many things for myself, so it's better to make myself better and well.
Oh, okay. So, how about you, Nahui?
Okay, so to me, yeah, as we know that most of people right now have like the same problem, like the brother Fikra has mentioned before, like self appreciation, because they have worked a lot, so that they want to like entertain themselves by spending a lot of money, going to mall, or maybe buying some stuff like bag or clothes for the woman itself. And then second problem maybe money management, maybe.
Yeah.
Because, and then the last problem maybe because in the new month usually we have to pay a lot of things, such as maybe electrical or maybe internet quota and etc. So that indirectly most of people didn't realize at the moment when they spend money a lot, so that they didn't realize why their money running so faster.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. Monthly expenses, right?
Yes.
So, do you have any financial plan, maybe?
To me, no, I don't. But I have just a little bit. I have a little bit plan. But in this case, I found an article that show how to thrift money for the students and also employee itself. So
Alright.
maybe the smart listener really interested to hear this.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yes, please share to us.
Okay, so in this article, I found several tips that maybe really give something beneficial to your life. I mean, especially for managing your money. Firstly, you have to utilize the source of your income. So in this case, it talk about you have to really manage the main source of your money itself. You have to put you have to put like self discipline into your main income, ladies and gentlemen. And then the second one is you have to discipline, especially if you want to saving money. Yeah. So
You
in
have to
this,
be disciplined.
Yeah, discipline. So what about you, Brother Fikri,
Yeah,
about
I-
saving money?
Okay, I actually never do financial management and etc. because I think I am one of the people who don't really like thrifts and etc. Because I just like to spend my money just for buying what I need, what I want to buy in the present life. So but it doesn't mean that if I don't like thrifts, I'm not also extravagant and etc. Because I think when I want to buy something that's really nice for me, but I guess that's not really important for my life. That's not help my life and etc. I guess I will change my mind to buy that stuff and etc. So that's why this is could be one of the tips how to manage our financial well. So that's why if you have a money, if you have a salary, so it's better to buy the things that really benefit for you. For example, like it will help you in nowadays, in the future, and etc. So that's why just don't buy anything that just because you like it, but you have to think about what this thing will need for me or will help me
Okay.
nowadays in the future. I guess we have to buy the thing that also can become our infestations, like we can buy gold, and etc. Many things that could infestate our money, that in the future when we get a problem in our financial, we can manage it in order that we can use it again to overcome the problem that we got. Yeah,
All
I think
right.
that's
So based on buying something, don't base on what you want,
Yeah,
but
what you want.
what you need.
yeah, because
So-
Nice idea.
Because nowadays, include me sometimes, we just need we just want to buy not because we need it, but because we want to show it to the people who don't like us.
Okay, so
Yeah.
make some
Yeah.
investment,
Yeah,
right?
That's
make
right.
us make people impressed.
All right.
Yeah.
But I'm curious, how about you? How do you manage your money?
Okay.
Do you
Okay.
which type are you? The thrifty one or the extravagant one?
Oh,
Yeah, I actually in the middle of them because I never thrift my money. I also never extravagant. But if I think that my money will be running out and etc., I guess I will try to be thrift at the moment. But I'm not really a thrift person. But when I see my pocket and then it will be running out and etc. In the end of the month, in the end of the month, I will think that I have to be thrift. If
Okay.
or otherwise, I will be starving if I don't be thrift.
All right. Self-awareness.
Yeah, self-awareness.
So my self-awareness is not will be exist if I get a problem. If I see that I will be get a problem.
All right. So,
Yeah.
maybe you have some conversation for
Okay.
this is for like example to smart listener how the conversation.
Smart listener. So right now we are going to give you like some examples of conversation related on
Yeah.
thrifting and saving money.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now, Brother Fikri, so did you have like experiences in saving money?
Okay. This I actually nowadays never save my money because I told you the first time that I don't know, somehow I don't really like to be thrift and etc. because I think that I want to use my money right now to make myself happy. But even though I do that things, but I also never be extravagant to buy anything that not really important for me. So that's why I couldn't explain you about what is my experiences about how I save my money nowadays. But I actually have my experience. One of my experiences when I was a kid.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, this is actually one of my funny experiences when I was a
Oh,
kid. And at the
interesting.
moment, maybe everyone nowadays when they were a kid, they always save my money in like celengan and etc. Plastic celengan,
Yeah,
right?
plastic
So at the
celengan.
moment, I try to save my money by using celengan, and then several days I try to open that thing, and then I hope that my money will be much because I already saved my money for a long time and etc. But when I was looking for that celengan, I don't know, somehow I lost of my celengan, and then I was hopeless at the time, and then approximately 2 days later I got that celengan. But unfortunately when I got it, I see that celengan was empty, and then
How come?
I don't know. And then my money, all of my money was lost. And then this is not the funny. This is not the funny thing that I wanna explain. The funny was is
Yeah.
what exists in that celengan is just like a poop and etc. I don't know. So that's why all of my family at the moment like was laughing very loud because of that
my
case.
God.
And then after that situation, I never saved my money again because I got a really big traumatic because when we were a child and then we get bad experiences, you know, we can get traumatic very fast. What about you? Do you have any experiences in saving your money?
I have some, especially when I was kid. At the moment, when my uncle give me money, for example, my uncle at the moment give me, for example, for around 100K.
Yeah.
And then when my mother saw me at the moment, they asked me, and then Nahwi, this money is not enough for you. I have the other money. So my mother at the moment give me around 10 pieces of money, and then those money is around just 1K, but the amount is 10. So at the moment I think that those money is much than the 100K itself. And then at the moment I saving my money, I always put my money in my pocket because I have pocket at the moment. But when the day is over, I check my pocket, I check my wallet at the moment, and then there's no money in there. So I don't know who steal my money at the moment.
So
Maybe it's because some of my brothers
So-
do, because we were kid at the moment. We are doing like some such funny thing.
Funny things. Yeah, I also remember the things that maybe these things exist or happen in all of people when they were when they were a kid and etc. You know, when we were a kid, and then we have money from our auntie or our
Classic
you get what I mean? So
Classic problem.
from our auntie, from our uncle, and etc. And especially when after Lebaran, and then we collect a lot of money from all of them, and then finally our mother see that money, and then she said that, so give me your money, I will save it for you. And then
Classic
That's
problem.
the
Yeah,
classic
classic
reason.
problem.
and then after that, when I want to buy something, and then I said that I want to buy this thing because I have money in your pocket that I gave you, and then she said that it's not really important for me, and then I said I said in my intention that this is my money, why you mock me to buy that? Because then this is my money actually. And then after I teenager right now, I realized that at the moment my mom was not save my money. She took my money
Oh.
Okay, and she used that money to buy
something
yeah.
that they want.
Yeah.
She want.
to grocery maybe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is a
Alright.
classic problem that happen among our society. So do you ever save your money in kitty, like plastic kitty? Kitty means like celengan.
Yeah, plastic at the moment. Yeah, I remember I have a kitty, so the shape seems like a Nemo.
Okay.
And
So
fish.
my question is actually, what is the best kitty that you ever had before?
The best kitty.
Yeah.
The best kitty was a plastic kitty.
Plastic kitty.
At the moment, I almost succeed to save my money, but I don't know. That kitty was lost. I don't know where. So yeah, that is the unforgettable moment.
Yeah,
because,
when I was a kid, I just always have plastic kitty, but I don't know, somehow when I was a kid, I really dream like, you know, chicken kitty that made by kaca, kaca glass.
Glass.
I guess that's not kaca, but like when we want to take my money, we just directly throw it so that the money will be come out and etc. I don't know, somehow, because when I was a kid, I always see that kitty on television, on Facebook, that, you know, when the television itself or the Sinetron itself showed about people save in kitty, they always use that kitty as the tool of the film. I don't know, somehow. Do you know what kind of a kitty? What I mean?
Maybe the kitty. The kitty. You mean that
Chicken.
chicken?
The chicken.
Oh, the chicken kitty.
Chicken,
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. So what about you? Do you have the same dream when you were child?
At the moment when I was feeling that I never succeed in saving money, so
Yeah.
I stop it.
Yeah, I
Better
don't
for me to spend directly my money at the
yeah,
moment.
we have the same experiences. I don't know somehow I never be succeed to save money
never.
when I was a kid, because when I was a kid, maybe when I was saving my money for about a week,
A
or
week,
2 weeks, and
month.
etc. And then I don't know somehow I really want it to take it, even though I don't want to buy something, because I'm just curious that how much my money right now that I already struggle hard to save it in my kitchen, etc. Maybe because when we were a child, our curiosity is very big than nowadays. I actually, but maybe when we were a kid, and then when we are adult or teenager right now, we have the same curiosity, we have the same level of curiosity, but the different thing what we want to curious. For example, when we were a child, I was curious about why when the earth itself how to say circle, and then when we are in the below of earth, why don't we fall, and etc. So that was my curiosity when I was a child. But my curiosity right now is how is my life in the future, and then how can I live in the future without my parents helping,
All right.
and etc. So
All right.
actually every level of age have the same level of curiosity, but the different things that they always curious about.
All right. Well, smart listener, that's the interesting conversation about the experience of saving money in
Yeah.
a kitty or money box. All right.
To share to you about how to save our money itself. So firstly, you have to make like a fixed cost, or we can say pengeluaran bulanan.
Okay.
So you have-
Monthly expenses.
monthly expensive. So you can make like the list of your expenses, such as how much you have to spend for the electricity, how much you spend for the quota of data, and then how much you spend for water and other things such as food and etc. So in the end of the day, your money will be survive for a quite long time. So what about you, Brother Fikri?
Okay, so what did I tip from Nahwi? So I will give one tip when we want to save our money much longer than before. So nowadays, what's always happening that when we have some money and etc. So we always extravagant or lose our money or spend our money very fast, because when we go to the market or when we want to buy something in the market, and then what we want to buy at the very first time is different with what we buy at that moment. So that's why, to overcome this problem, it's better to do food list or list what you want to buy when you want to
Okay.
go to the market.
Grocery list, maybe.
Yeah, gross release, in order that when you go that place or when you go to the market, and then you want to buy something else that difference between what you want to buy
Yeah.
the very first time. So when you check it, you will realize that it's not my main intention to go here. So that's why it will force yourself to be thrift, even though you are such an extravagant
Okay.
people and etc.
Okay, this is the way
Yeah.
to prevent
Yeah.
the intention and reality is
Yeah.
going in the
Different.
same way,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so making a list of grocery, maybe
Grocery,
list
yeah.
belanja,
Yeah.
yeah, if you want to go to market. So, in your opinion, which is better? Saving our money in the kitty,
Yeah.
like the pastime, or make some a bank account, save
Okay.
our money on a bank, in a
Okay.
bank. So,
So-
which do you think better?
To me, it depends on how old are you, or do you have a job right now or not, because to me right now, I prefer not saving my money in a bank because I don't have a fixed salary like a civil servant and etc. Because when we save, when we as a person who doesn't have a fixed salary like civil servant or like civil servant and etc. We will lose our money in the bank because in the bank there is interest that when we always save our money in the bank every month we have to cut our money as a interest itself. So when we really saving our money at that bank and then indirectly or directly we will lose off our money because we never save again our money. So it's for me right now, I prefer saving my money in my wallet, for example, in my cupboard, in my dormitory, in order that my money will be not running out. So for civil servant and etc., when I were a civil servant, I prefer saving my money at bank because what I told you when I was a child, I was losing of my money at kitty because my kitty itself is made by plastic and then it's very easy to steal by someone. So that's why when we as a civil servant, easy to broke. And then when we save our money, when we as a civil servant and then we save our money not in the bank like in the kitty like in our cupboard and then it will make our money lose easily than when we save it in the bank.
Okay, so how about you? Which better, Nahui?
To me, it depends on the age. For example, for the kids, so it's better for us to give like still a kitty because right now nowadays maybe you can see the kid right now. It's not like in the past that they are really naughty to their brother. So and then comparing to this era, so their brother will prefer to play a game. So it's better to give them like a kitty in order to support them in saving money. So later on when they got adult, they can save their money. They can manage their money well.
I have experiences. I have an experience when I was a kid again. So when I was a kid, when my mom told me that she wanted to go to the bank, and then in my mind exists that bank means that wheel or a tire, tire.
Oh, what is that?
Tire in bahasa ban mobil. So I thought when my mom said
that is typo, right?
Because in Indonesia we don't say bank but we say bang. Bang.
Okay.
So at the moment what exists on my mind when my mom told me that she wanted to go to the bank, and then I thought that she wanted to go to the like in the retire, how to say bank again?
Garage.
Garage, and then she wanted to put her money among or in the middle of
the tire
or wheel itself. But it was my funny experience when I was a kid, because when I was a kid. Until right now, I always imagine about something because my name is Fikri. In Fikri in bahasa means thought, or in English thought, in bahasa pemikiran. So I never stop thinking about something. So that's why I always imagine about something, and then sometimes I imagine that thing in very funny way.
Okay, so don't be overthinking.
Don't be overthinking.
But for me, guys, I prefer to save my money on a bank account. My salary is sent to me from bank account, and also one way that we can try to save our money for the future is to make some investment. We can invest from gold. That that gold is always rise. The price is always rise. Is always increase every year and every month. As well. So, and next also you can make some investment on the properties. So that some way that we can try to save our money for our future, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you can try
Yeah,
someday.
the benefit when we save our money in the bank itself, when we want to go to something to buy an expensive one, and then we don't need to bring a lot of money
Okay.
on in our pocket. So that's why we just take a card that called ATM and etc. And then we just we can take it or we can bring it easily. Then when we put all of the money itself in our pocket
Okay.
or in our
So, guys, because we are in the last station of Smart Up Your Life, before we close this conversation, could you tell us, our smart listener,
Yeah.
about some vocabularies or idioms that they can learn from our conversation?
Okay, so first, the new vocabularies that are very important for us is kitty. Kitty in Bahasa means celengan.
So,
Okay, and the second one is bank clerk. Bank clerk in Bahasa is pegawai bank. And the last one or the third one is extravagation.
extravagant.
I mean, because we are talking about thrift right now, so the antonym of thrift is extravagance. Extravagance in Bahasa means boros.
Okay, so
Understood.
maybe one vocabulary, maybe?
Okay, so I have an interesting idiom. So we can say penny pincher. So
Penny
penny
pincher.
pincher meaning that if someone is really stingy, especially in
Oh,
money,
I see.
in saving money. For example, Mr. Crab is really Mr. Crab is a penny pincher. Jadi
Okay. In
Tuan Crab itu sangat pelit.
Alright.
Mr. Crab is a penny pincher.
Pelit.
Yeah.
Pelit ya.
Pelit.
Okay, thank you so much guys for tonight, and also thank you for your smart listener. We'll be right back next week.
Yes.
So